Thank you for stopping by again. Um, I was just gonna look at the tulips from yesterday, if they were really affected by the cold temperature. Um, well, they they look sad, but they're still alive. I think they made it. But anyway, right now it's snowing, but actually the snow is kind of like soft hail. Look at that, and it's actually bouncing. So let me get one of those. So it is like styrofoam to the touch. Parang styrofoam po siya. Pero ang tawag sa kanya, soft hail. So here they are. They're like big salt, but at the same time kind of look like styrofoam. So ito siya. So kanina po, natunaw na yung snow mula kahapon. Tapos ito dumating na naman ng snow na para siyang actually hail, pero mas malambot siya. Para siyang styrofoam. Oh. They're actually bouncing as they hit the ground. It was a little bigger earlier actually. So let me see. Ito po siya. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to the back side of our house and see what's going on back there. Punta po tayo dun sa likuran. Okay, I am inside our house and I'm looking at the deck. So it kind of seemed like it stopped a little bit. It's still snowing, but it's not as much as when it earlier. So yan po ang view mula rito sa aming kitchen. Ano po yan yung katulugan ng pusa. And this is the back door. Ito naman po yung sa likod namin. Bale, tingnan nyo siya oh. Para siyang maliliit na styrofoam. Okay po siya oh. And here it is. It is super soft. I think it is called graupel. Like when it is kind of like styrofoam or soft hail, or also called snow pellets. And it actually stopped falling, and as you can see, there was a huge cloud, and that huge cloud that you can see right there just basically passed by. And look guys, it's already sunny. So the clouds already passed by, and there's still some clouds over there, but it's going away, and it's pretty promising back there. It's looking promising. So since it's already sunny, I hope all this soft hail or snow that's on the ground, hopefully it melts pretty soon. And before I say bye for today guys, I'm gonna just show you the tulips that we picked yesterday. Okay guys, here it is. Ito po yung tulips na pinitas natin kahapon. Bukang-buka na po siya. Oh, ang laki. Ang laki. Ang ganda ng nasa loob. It's so pretty inside. Ganda. It is big. Ganda. Well, anyway, I'm going to have to say bye for now. Thank you guys for joining me again today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbisita, and hopefully next time you can watch my videos again. Thank you so much, and to those who haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you can watch and see my new videos. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo. Bye.